land and propaganda filling your mind with fright to keep you from discovering the light. The mind control runs rampant on your radio. I see it in every television show. They think the corporate temper can just grow and grow. So I'm letting all of my people know, yeah, Lord, that I'm mad. We stand up and fight. Come and join me. The people unite. We'll turn the darkness back into the light. Leave the wrong and know the right. And have no fear, for Jah is beside you. Fear not, but the body He will guide you. Yeah, in the valley of the shadow He'll find you and light your passage through. Oh Lord, the truth, you know that I'm a true. Oh Lord, I'm a true. Yeah, you know that I'm untrue. Oh yeah, yeah. Is a murderer. The brainwashed, they used to be thief and liar. So them following in the ranks of mystery Lucifer. The fire's gonna burn on ya. So watch on my children for them backbiter. They're feeding on the blood of the sufferers. The money and the power may make them man backsliders. They turn their backs on the Most High Jah. One now, but I'm mad. We stand up and fight. Come and join me. Jah people unite. We'll turn the darkness back into the light. And leave the wrong and know the right. And have no fear, for Jah is beside you. Fear not, but the body He will guide you. Yeah, in the valley of the shadow He'll find you and He'll light your passage through. Oh Lord, the truth, you know that I'm a true. Oh Rasta man, the truth, you know that I'm untrue. Oh yeah, yeah. Slumber, 'cause soon they're gonna call upon your number. And you don't want to let them drag you under. You rain down with brimstone and lightning and thunder. 'Cause Jah is the almighty protector, the living God and the earth's rightful ruler. So you know that the lion conquering to conquer all of us. Come and join me. Jah people unite. We'll turn the darkness back into the light. I'll leave the wrong and know the right. Oh, shadows in the garden, whispers in your heart, spirits on the pathway, and visions in the dark. Oh, fear and disillusion is where confusion starts. Deception and a serpent are never far. No, they're never far.